What are you doing? You goofy boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on over here. What are you doing? Do. What are you doing? You're being goofy. What are you doing? Happy. Say hi, Mom. I'm going to come home soon. Marilee flew in yesterday and picked up Chewy. So she'll be coming back out to get this little spoiled brat, Rocket. What are you doing, Rocket? Say hi to your mama. What are you doing? Oh, there you go. You're just goofy. Do. Come back across here. Do. As you can see, he's smaller than the toys. But he loves his toys. Yes, he does.